This is PriceIt Software's art proofing module. I want to show you how easy and effective PriceIt Software's art proofing is. Here we have a job that's been customer approved using our bidirectional estimate approval feature. Now we need to get our artwork approved. To do this, we're going to navigate to the artwork section of PriceIt and either select an existing artwork proof from a previous job or upload one from our computer that was created in our graphics program of choice, or you can just paste it in from the snipping tool here. Click the red Select button to choose the artwork. Now this artwork has been associated with this job and we need to send it off for approval. As you can see, the button below is orange, indicating that an art proof is needed for this job. This is also where you can add design notes and image size. Click the orange Proof Needed button. Now that we're in the art proofing section, we can choose how we want to send it to our customer. You can use either text or email, or use both methods to ensure your customer gets their proof and can respond as soon as possible. Texting proofs historically has a quicker turnaround time, especially for customers that are not behind the computer all day. Contractors and folks that spend most of their time away from their desk will typically respond in minutes and hours instead of hours and days. Emailing works great as well. I usually use both methods if I have collected the customer's cell phone number during order entry. Once your customer clicks the link in their email or text, they will be brought to the same screen on their computer, cell phone, tablet, or iPad. From here they can view their proof as well as the colors, size of the image, and its location on the garment. The customer can then click either approve or disapprove. Both choices require the customer to type their name or initials. If disapprove is chosen, then your customer can then indicate all changes they would like to make and submit changes. Your customer is then redirected to your website. You will then receive an email notification that the customer has interacted with the artwork. Meanwhile, back at PriceIt, the status automatically changes. From the History tab, you can read what the customer needs changed and the history of communication regarding the proof. No need to search through email boxes or ask around the shop. It's all right there for you to see. When used properly, PriceIt's artwork proofing feature will virtually eliminate miscommunication and reduce turnaround time exponentially. If you like what you see here, I'd love to show you more. You can sign up for a live one-on-one Zoom demo with us by navigating to PriceItSoftware.com and clicking on the Schedule Demo button, or just give us a call at 802-257-5188. We have a solution to fit any size shop and budget. No need to worry about high-pressure sales tactics. We're more interested in making sure you're a right fit for PriceIt instead of just trying to make another sale. Thanks again for watching, and we look forward to talking with you soon.